everyone, Kyrian Crabtree here, back with another review. Today, I finally did it. I was finally able to get the Jurassic World Dino Rivals Velociraptor Echo figure. Now, I have been wanting this figure for ages now, because I already own Blue, I already own Charlie, and I already own Delta, but I was never able to get Echo until now. For some reason, Echo has just been kind of hard to find now. I really don't know why, maybe due to COVID-19 going around and stores can't purchase anymore from China. I don't know what the deal is, but this figure is just really hard to find now. Prices have just skyrocketed over on eBay and Amazon. My dad was actually able to find this one at a Walgreens store and was able to purchase it for me, so big thanks to him. And I finally have the full Raptor Squad now, which I will be reviewing each one of these Raptors individually on the channel very soon, so keep an eye out for that. So, alright, let's go ahead and get into the review on this figure. So, let's take a look at the packaging. Now, we have the Dino Rivals logo right here, and Velociraptor Echo 3+. We have a picture of the T-Rex, the Triceratops, and Owen. And it says one collector card. You can see the collector card right here. Behind Velociraptor Echo herself, we have a cool T-Rex skull. It kind of looks like it's on fire. Then we have a Jurassic World logo right here. On the very back of the box, we have some of the other Attack Pack figures that you can collect. The Attack Pack Herrerasaurus, the Mononychus, Velociraptor Echo, the star of our review today, the Saurus, and the Dimorphodon. So as of right now, I own the Herrerasaurus and the Saurus, but I do not own the Dimorphodon and Mononychus, and I will be sure to try to pick those up whenever I see them for a cheap price online, or whenever stores open back up. So, this is Attack Pack. We have some information about the Jurassic World Facts app, and the Mattel logo. And that is pretty much it with the box. Oh, and it does have the new logo here. Not all the boxes will have that. So let's go ahead and get this figure out of the box. Try not to damage the package, because I like to keep them. Get our Velociraptor Echo figure out. And now for the collector's card. Alright, here is the card. And yeah, we'll go ahead and take a look at the card now. We have a pretty cool image of Velociraptor Echo. Looks pretty cool. We have some stats. Strength is 7, speed is 9, the intelligence is 9, and the aggression is also 9. This is card 34. Very back, we got the Jurassic World logo and the Dino Rivals logo. So, yeah, pretty nice card. And, whoops, the box just fell. Now for the figure itself. It looks actually pretty good. Now, I know a lot of people dislike this figure due to it being a repaint for the Crouching Raptor, which, I mean, its pose is kind of limited. It's, like, not in a neutral pose. But, I mean, I kind of like it due to me having a few other Raptors that are in neutral poses. I kind of like the crouching pose, in my opinion. I don't think it's very good for an action figure. It'd be better for, like, a Papo model or something that's not actually, like, a toy meant for children. But, I mean, I guess this one's okay. I wish maybe they gave the Raptors their own individual sculpts. So anyway, the sculpt is actually pretty nice. As you can see, the head sculpt looks pretty good, as well as the rest of the body. The detail on the Mattel Jurassic World figures are just phenomenal, and I've always liked that. Of course, the feet are oversized, but that's to help this figure stand. And, yeah. As far as paint goes, there really isn't that much. We just have this aqua blue going down its Echo's back and going across its face. And, yeah, that is pretty much all the paint other than the eyes and the teeth and the tongue are painted. They could have definitely painted the claws, and they also could have maybe given it a beige color for its belly. So overall, this is a pretty disappointing figure. They definitely could have done better on it. Now, for articulation, it's very limited. You can move the legs. They are articulated. The arms are also articulated. And you can, of course, move the jaw. And And yeah, that is pretty much it with articulation. This figure is definitely really limited. I mean, you can only really have it in one pose, which is this kind of crouching pose, making it look like it's about to jump or something. So, I mean, they could have definitely done better. Like I mentioned earlier, I wish maybe they gave each one of these raptors their own exclusive sculpts, but Mattel just decided to repaint them. But, I mean, at least we're getting a better Raptor Squad for 2020 for the new Primal Attack toy line. Oh, and I almost forgot one last feature of this toy is the Jurassic World Facts App scan code. So here it is if you want to scan it. Pause this video and scan it if you want. And here's the Jurassic World official mark. So, I mean, it's a pretty good figure. I'm definitely glad that I have it now. But, I mean, it could have been much better. And, I mean, it's a pretty bad representation of Echo the Velociraptor. So, for a rating, I'm going to have to give this figure a 5 out of 10 stars. Or maybe even a 4.9 out of 10 stars. I mean, it's not Hasbro Jurassic World quality, but it's probably definitely one of Mattel's worst figures. Well, alright, this has been the Dinosaur Discovery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified of any future videos. And I will, of course, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.